Hey guys, what's going on? I wanted to do a comparison between Teepublic, Zazzle, Redbubble, and Etsy in terms of SEO scores and like where I think you can get the most organic traffic from. So this is teepublic.com, and they have an authority score of 70, which a lot of people will say is an arbitrary number and isn't that important. The more important thing is the organic search traffic, which is 2.4 million. That'll be every month. Paid search traffic 21, backlinks 5.1. So yeah, Teepublic is pretty strong, but Zazzle is actually much stronger, almost twice as strong, according to SEMrush. There are two ways I'm going to be measuring this: SEMrush and Alexa web rankings. So Zazzle has an authority score of 80, organic traffic 4.5 million, which is pretty good. Paid search traffic 443,000, backlinks 112 million, which is insane, obviously. And if you look at the general trend of Zazzle, it took a big hit around November, but it will probably recover at some point. If I put this on all time, yeah, I personally think that will recover. It might just be a general. It always dips and then goes up again, dips and goes up again. In my opinion, Zazzle looks like it's going to be a pretty good competitor with Redbubble pretty soon. Redbubble authority score of 77, organic traffic of 20 million every month, which is 5 times more than Zazzle. Just want to quickly say here, these aren't exact numbers; these are approximations by SEMrush, but you can assume they're fairly accurate, or it gives you some idea anyway. Paid search is 161,000, so Zazzle is actually using more budget, most likely, to try to compete with Redbubble, I guess. 65 million backlinks, which is less than Zazzle as well. So yeah, actually Zazzle looks like it might be a good competitor for Redbubble fairly soon. I wouldn't be surprised to see that. But then the winner by far is actually Etsy, which has 240 million organic search traffic, which is crazy. Paid search traffic is way higher than any of the others as well. So from looking at this, I'm actually considering using Etsy as well, and maybe start selling some things from Printful on Etsy. Etsy is just going up and up and up. It's becoming more and more popular. Elon Musk tweeted about it recently. Etsy looks like it's a winner, to be honest. If I was just starting, I would probably go with Etsy. I'm probably going to upload some of my Redbubble designs onto Etsy, if that's possible. And then the second one is Alexa. I just want to show you this site ranks 5,588. That's Teepublic, which is not bad. Zazzle 1,204th, which is obviously much better. Zazzle's time on site is actually quite low. And then Redbubble is actually ranked 629, which has improved massively just in the last 3 months. Even though it says that it's going down, I'm pretty sure I looked at it and it was 1,000. But yeah, that's crazy. But then finally, Etsy is the 67th ranked site in the world, which is obviously incredible. So basically what I wanted to show you was just a unbiased comparison of the organic traffic between these websites. It's clear that Etsy is the most popular in terms of organic traffic, followed by Redbubble, followed by Zazzle, followed by Teepublic. Personally, I think Zazzle will break out fairly soon, but that's just my opinion. I have absolutely no idea if that's true or not. So if you think Redbubble is a little bit too oversaturated, which is definitely not, but if you want something less saturated, maybe go for Zazzle. And I am going to look into doing Printful integrations with Etsy, I think. I have an idea for a video where I'm going to spend a week making as many designs as possible using the Ahrefs free trial, which is $7 trial, which is for 7 days. I'm going to teach you guys how to get the most information out of Ahrefs in 7 days, so that you can still use the information after the $7 trial has been cancelled, which you can just cancel it straight away and then download a lot of useful data on all of these websites. So I recommend that you guys keep in touch for that particular video, which will be coming soon, probably next Sunday. And I am going to upload to Redbubble and probably Etsy using Printful, but I will have to look into that some more. Okay guys, just a short video today, and hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.